we need to be not necessarily inspiring, but faithful and trustworthy enough as politicians that people believe that we're working for them. Because if they don't believe that we're working for them, the whole system is broken and it will never get better. So for me, the measure of success in any time that I spend in politics is going to be how the participation of voters goes. If it goes up, then I'll feel like we're being successful. If it goes down, I will feel like we're probably not doing a good enough job, or that we're talking about the wrong things.